Officially day one of our trip. I'm here with the gang, with the boys. We have Riley, we have Tev, and we have Jamal. So we are going to be going ahead into LA now, and we gotta love it that our early morning flight was canceled, but that means we are all rested up and ready for our 2 p.m. flight. So we're gonna see you guys when we're over there. Check this out.
Check this out.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Oh yeah. There she is. LA baby.
Round.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Made it in one piece. Someone is especially excited.
Oh, I'm off this plane.
Oh, and this is Joel, by the way.
Hi.
Yes. Hoo-wee. Well. Would you look at that? I'm putting on lights. Oh my goodness, our bathroom. Okay. I'm putting on lights. Where's my lights? I can't see shit. Oh, I can see now. God damn. Look at that view. Not bad, LA. Not bad at all. Ohayou gozaimasu. Welcome everyone. We have landed safely in LA, and it is now officially day 2. I've already gone ahead and showered, but I'm still tired, even though it's technically 12 p.m. in my original time in Canada, whereas right now it's actually 9 a.m. in LA time. And here I thought I was gonna be a morning riser for once. Anyways, we're gonna be going to get some brunch. Or so I thought I would actually go out in, but unfortunately, I woke up to looking at the window and seeing this. Bruh. Why is it so rainy? I brought the wrong fit. Yeah. The American dream. We are now going to be registering. Caleb, are you excited?
Oh, very excited.
Yeah. Yeah, we're in the convention center now, and it's huge! Freaking amazingly huge. I now know what it feels like to go to an anime convention. Wow.
Digimon? Oh, it's all the Digimon stuff. Yeah, it's everything.
He's so handsome. I respect the grind. Wow, so many people.
We have some promotional, we have some promotions going on.
Okay.
So at the end of the day, just scan the QR code and you can pick up your prize on the way out.
Oh, really? Thank you. Woo! The big boy. The really good boy. This fucker. Yo, he's actually stepping on a... Oh, yo!
You just dismantled the tank drum.
I didn't even notice that. That's so cool. Oh man, remember this card?
It's cheap now.
It sure is. This?
So nice.
I didn't know Millennium One had like Jessamine and shit in there.
You know, of course, red hybrids.
I don't want to talk. We don't look at this one. Don't look at it. Go away. Oh fuck! Go away. My boy. Fuck that card. Fuck you.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck you. Alright, we're good.
What?
Drip check? I would wear that.
I would wear this.
I would wear this.
Like, I would actually wear this.
Drip check.
Drip check indeed.
Oh yeah.
see mushrooms. You wanna eat it? Hey, hey. You wanna eat it? Hey, hey.
I think those are battle items. You
Oh,
gotta,
shit.
you gotta find something.
Okay, I gotta find somebody.
Yeah, yeah, there you go. This is the dude.
Okay.
Fuck him up.
Oh, yeah, fuck him up. Wait, no one? Yo, I won! I just won the games! You won! Have a free game!
Did a whole lot of things today. I hope you guys enjoy what you saw. It was a lot of fun, and I can't believe I was recognized for the first time. I did not record that experience because he wanted to get a picture, and I wanted to let him have his moment. You deserve it. Thank you. Thank you. Made me feel special. And yeah, my legs are dead. My legs are very, very tired. Joel, how do you feel? That's not a feeling. Okay, but yes, we are now going to be going to get ready with our decks and register them for the event, and we're going to be getting ourselves some lovely food. So, alcohol. We are not getting alcohol. All right, boys, today's the day. It is officially day 1 of the Digimon National Tournament. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous, but that's what all this practice was for, right? All I can do now is do my best and pray I don't brick. Well, wish me luck, boys. We are here. It's time.
It's time to duel.
To duel! Guys, look who I found.
What up? Primitive here. Nats. Day 1, day 2, however you want to call it. He's way more prepared than me, though.
No, don't worry. We're all gonna lose to round 2 to Melga anyway.
Okay, I'm down.
Let's go.
I'm down. Let's do it.
Let's do
I'm
it.
ready.
Well. If it
Hello.
isn't the man
The
himself.
myth, the legend. Hey, brother.
How you doing?
Good.
Are you ready for today?
Yep. And we also have plans to get that final episode going eventually.
It will happen. It will happen. Don't you worry.
He deserves a little bit of shit.
Bro, check this. He gave me shit.
Oh, baby.
He gave me good shit. The good shit. You're my #1 fan.
I think it's so funny because he almost
Okay, great. Thank you. Take a look who I found.
Hello.
Somehow, I'm still undefeated. I don't know how it's happening. How's the commentating so far, homie?
Not too bad. How are you doing?
I'm alive.
Yeah, you are.
I'm on adrenaline. But yeah, he's been doing an amazing job of commentating. Hope you guys will checking out the streams. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe. This is it. Did I make top 32? I'm scrolling now. No. I didn't make it. I'm in 38. What? What? We did our best, but I bubbled out. 38 out of 1,001 people. With machine. I did my best. Best I could. And that's it. But hey, 100 likes. We'll get a deck profile. Talk to you guys soon. We're back, and I'm chilling. I'll be honest, I'm pretty bummed out. I found out there were actually other X2s that made it to top 32, which is huge props to them. I saw my boy, Primitive Kage. Congratulations, homie. I got bubbled out, sadly, and that just makes it a little bit more extra sad. I really, really did want to win. Well, there's always next time. Boys, I want y'all to know this is the first day in our 3 nights here of actually seeing sunshine. It's crazy. You guys can actually see the city. And it's actually pretty nice to look at when it's not all doom and gloom.
lost to the second.
Oh yeah.
Wait, were you the undefeated one for a while?
I was.
Okay.
Yeah.
Believe it. Even at Target in America, I wasn't able to find Digimon stuff. What the heck? What the heck, Bandai? To better than Toronto.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, now we're talking. Top 3 digits on 3. 1, 2, 3.
With the nitro boost? The nitro boost? I thought you worked at Mazda. I thought you worked at Mazda. Are you in 10th? Stick to Digimon, bro. You're in 10th? Of course, he's in second, third? Is that Ben Ben? Sheesh! Hey, yo! Third, sixth, fifth? Hey!
Yo, your ass! Bro, you got 0. Bro, you got 0.
Sub me out. Nah, restart that.
Okay.
Coming back. I'll take that one. Disrespect. Nah. Bro, you didn't tell me. No. You guys.
There's so much waiting. We finally get to try in and out. Alright, dig in, boys. As you can see,
This is a bad idea.
we couldn't resist getting at least one.
Caleb,
We found one and one target. So, we're gonna see just how good we are at pulling, ladies and gentlemen.
I got a super.
You're super.
And I got a foil Digimon.
Got a Mirage. Not bad, not bad, not bad. I'm happy about this. I'm pretty happy about this.
X7 ult.
Oh my god. 7. Oh.
Analog, man.
It's time to go home. Are you excited?
Yes. Get me off these planes.
Oh, you're still here. Well, if you made it to the end of the video, that means you made it all the way to the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys all enjoyed it, and hope you guys enjoyed the trip. And I guess while we're here, we might as well go ahead and say thank you guys oh so much for 2,000 subscribers. That is honestly pretty insane. And I didn't get a chance to properly thank you guys since I believe I was in LA when it happened. So thank you guys so much. I know we didn't make it to top 32 in nationals, but I wouldn't trade that experience for anything else. I got to meet so many of you guys over there in
in LA, and it was honestly a really surreal experience. It made me feel like an actual YouTuber. Meeting all the other DigiTubers as well was really fun. Shoutouts to Primitive Kage, the Eggman, and of course, Ryan my avatar. And last but not least, of course, my friend. The people that I went with for this trip is the main reason why I had so much fun in the tournament, even if I didn't win. Thanks so much for rooming with me, boys, and I'm looking forward to traveling with you guys again. Alright, that's the end of the video.